This that I'm making here is Zesty Italian chicken for two. I start with a cup of white sauce and add a teaspoon of dry Italian dressing.
Zesty Italian, or
Yeah, zesty, dry zesty Italian seasoning. What is that? Oh,
that's the
and this is
bouillon.
half a teaspoon of bouillon granules, right?
Yeah.
Granules. Get it all out.
It's right here.
Oh yeah, okay. And then this is a 1 ounce of softened cream cheese.
So in the 8-ounce package, you just cut off 1/8 of it.
Right, yeah. It has the lines on it too.
Oh, does it?
Yeah,
Oh,
follow, yeah. Okay.
This is a great recipe because it's the original recipe was in a crock pot for hours,
With uncooked chicken.
uncooked chicken. And Bonnie's done a fast version.
well, a fast version, and we've been asked over and over again to show how to cook for 1 or 2 people.
And then here I have a 3/4 cup of cooked chicken that's been chopped.
So we're figuring this will make 2 servings, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
this makes 2
She's
servings.
just plating one
Just
right
gonna
now.
pour. And this is a 1/3 of a cup of cooked rice. So we'll just pour half of this.
So one person could have it for 2 different meals, or invite a friend.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then put a little garnish there.
So you're going to microwave that for
I would not
a
do
minute
it.
and a half.
I wouldn't do it more than a minute.
Okay. Paste.
And she warmed this in the microwave for about a minute.
Really a comfort dish.
Yeah, it is.